Right, what we've got here is my Leyland 255 classic tractor. It's a genuine off-farm tractor. Another one of my restoration projects, but I think I need to move him on because I've got too many things to play with. So anyway, I'll let you see how she goes and well, just enjoy it. Right, here we are in the Leyland 255 in the driver's seat. You could go tomatoes in it by being in the greenhouse. Air conditioning because the back's open. In gear, handbrake off. 2 revs. And we're away. Look at that, power steering, easy peasy. Got great oil pressure and she's charging okay. But the old tacho don't seem to be working. Another easy fix, but hey, you know, farmers don't really use them, do they? Even the fuel gauge is working. Well, today it is anyway. Woohoo! There was a world of music really. And the foot brake works, and handbrake. Amazing. And this is the bit I like best. A tractor with a horn, never had one of them before, eh? Anyway, there you go. Leyland 255. Nice old girl, really. Right, let's have a closer look at the old girl, shall we? Leyland 255 from 1974 on an end plate. I haven't got the registration document, but the number's on the cab, so it shouldn't be a problem. 3-cylinder diesel engine, starts well, and you've got the full Q cab with all the glass. I think Q means quiet, health and safety back in them days, eh? And of course you've got the hydraulics. So the hydraulics work, and also the PTO. Yeah, he's whizzing round, he's okay. And off again. I think he would benefit from a hub seal on this side, squeeze a little bit of oil. Nothing too difficult to do, but I just want you to know. It's very pretty actually. And I think that front panel, that's been farmerised, hasn't it? You can pick them up. Power steering works. Ram's a bit weepy, but yet again, she's an old girl, so you know, she's not pristine, she's off farm. Look at her, she's lovely. Oh, I'll show you the tick over. Might be a tin's too slow for a diesel, but you know, sounds nice. Leyland 255 from 1974. Lovely.